This is Briha Zohor. My ID number is 1998492 and my topic is identification of weeds. And our first weed is Parthenium hysterophorus, which belongs to Astraceae family. It is perennial herb or short-lived herb of neotropical origin and is well known for its vigorous growth, especially in warm climate. It produces thousands of white capitula which are clearly seen on its plant, each yielding 5 seeds on maturity. It is also considered to be a cause of allergic respiratory problems. It also affects fodder crops. Our next weed is Chenopodium album, commonly known as Bathu. It belongs to family Chenopodiaceae. Its leaves are on the upper part of the stem and entire are lanceolate, rhomboid, about 1 to 5 cm long and 0.4 to 2 cm broad. Apparently, they are waxy coated, unweedable, and mealy. Furthermore, they have whitish coat. This herb can cause sickness and death in livestock if ingested in large quantities. Plants accumulate both nitrates and soluble oxalates, and most of the gardeners treat this plant as a weed. Here is our Astragalus sinicus, which is commonly known as root pulli and is commonly used in farming as green manure, and is biennial, which grow up to 0.2 meter and flowers from April to July. It is pollinated by bees. It is a natural dietary supplement which are used for many health conditions, as it is used for the treatment of upper respiratory infections. The next weed is Cannabis sativa, commonly known as punk. It is annually herbaceous flowering plant or weed. It is used as the source of industrial fiber, seed oil, food recreations, religious and spiritual modes, and as a medicine. Each part of plant is harvested differently according to its usage. It is grown 2.5 meter by 0.8 meter. Its branches tends to spread out and grow upwards. Its strains are known for being extremely pungent. Its leaves are usually long and narrow. Cannabis sativa has much longer vegetation period, from 10 to 16 weeks. Our last weed is Sonchus arvensis, which is commonly known as Dimetodoc or Pilitodoc, which belongs to daisy family Asteraceae, which is oftenly occur in annual crops field and cause substantial yield loss. This plant produces conspicuous yellow flower heads that are visited by various insects. It is noxious weed in some places. Its leaves are simple, alternate, and are lanceolate. Height of this plant is 2 to 4 feet and is native to subtropical and tropical regions. Flowers are small, yellow, usually with 5 petals. The fiber from the crocus are most widely cultivated vegetable fibers after cotton. Thanks for watching.